Hi guys, good evening. This is the second time we are back at Dangau Langkawi. Right, Dangau means this hut that we're sitting in. Right now it's a place to relax. Today we are here for dinner just to catch the sunset, guys, over the paddy field.
So if you want to catch a beautiful sunset with your dinner, come here by 6 p.m. Anyway, the food here is really good, and that's the reason why we come back. It's authentic Malay cooking, so you got to try it for yourself. Ordered more dishes than our last visit because we have more time to lepak a bit.
Lepak means relax in Malay, guys.
Yep. Yeah, so what we've ordered this evening rather is ikan bakar again. This is the fish that we ordered the other time. And by this time around we asked for more sambal.
Right, check it out, guys.
We just love the sambal here.
Right.
And then this is the sambal sotong.
Right. It's pretty good.
Yeah,
really nice, guys.
Yes, without the petai this time.
Right.
And then this is the egg omelette. Yeah.
Yep.
Looks good.
Gotta try it. It's nice. It's very crispy and smells good.
Yeah,
guys.
Highly recommended by the owner here.
Right. So the next dish, darling.
Is sambal udang. Okay.
Yeah, my wife just loved prawn, so they're fresh.
Prawns.
These prawns are really fresh from the sea.
Yeah, we didn't get to try it the last time, so decided to order it today, this time around.
Right.
And then of course their soup. They are known for their soup, and this one is the
it's heavy.
soup ayam.
Chicken soup.
Chicken soup.
It's really famous.
Smells good.
Yeah,
Smells.
we got to try it.
I can detect lots of herbs inside. I don't know what they add, but it sure smells good.
Well, guys, we're gonna tuck in right now, and can smell the food already. Yeah.
Enjoy the food with the sunset.
Yeah, sunset over the paddy field. Hi guys, good morning. We are at Dangau Langkawi, the paddy field. There's a restaurant here. It's really nice. Sorry about the noise. You can see behind me, the machine is actually harvesting paddy. Right guys, and you can see all those egrets there. And the birds, what happens is that when they harvest the paddy will be cut away, and there'll be fishes, frogs, kind of lizards hiding inside the paddy field. So the birds, the egrets, will come and pick them up. Free meal for all, right guys? Next time in Langkawi, when you want to check out any local authentic Malay food where only the local knows, come and check out this place, Dangau Langkawi, guys. You will not be disappointed. So guys, remember to subscribe and give us a like. See you guys.
Hi guys. Guess the name of the cafe we are at right now. The clue is in this cute animal here. So let's go. So we are here at the Smiling Buffalo Cafe, and it's famous for its coffee. Okay, so let's give it a try. Oh, it's good. Very full-bodied, very strong.
This is what we've ordered, buffalo wings. Right, they look like what we call buffalo horns, isn't it? But they're buffalo wings, chicken wing. All right, buffalo has no wings, so it's come very hot. A little bit of salad here. Just give it a try, eh? You can see the smoke. It's really piping hot. Yep, there you go. It's really crunchy. It's really good. It's not too salty, just the right taste. And chicken wing is really good. So try some of the sweet sauce. It's good. Gotta wash the cups though, guys. So Langkawi is also known as the Jewel of Kedah, just in case you guys don't know. But do come by here and try this chicken wing, and also look for the coffee, guys. Buffalo wings. See you guys. Hi guys, we at Piaz the Padi today after the ATV ride. Yeah guys, the hat on too. So Piaz the Padi, why? Because it's situated near the paddy field. So today we came here because it's a very good local cuisine and a little bit of Western food. We choose to look local food because I believe it's really nice. I've ordered myself this beef rendang. The next dish we have here is the samba fish. It's I think the samba is really nice. Look at the samba, it's really authentic. It looks good. We're going to tuck in soon because we are really hungry. And here we have a little salad. All right. This is a Costco leaf. It can be eaten, edible, but make sure you pluck it from the Costco plant that's purple flower, no other colors, guys. And let's give it a taste. It tastes a little bit raw mango. Yeah, so it's really good for your health. You know, but how to find them in Singapore? Only in Langkawi we introduced this Costco leaf, guys. Check it out.
For samba, we requested it to be as spicy as possible because we just love the heat. So let me see if this is really spicy enough. Actually, I can still handle it, but it's actually very good and spicy. Very fragrant. The rempah they use for this samba is really good. It's sweet and spicy at the same time. So I guess the sweetness kind of offset the spice. But overall, the fish is very nice, very soft. And the samba is very, very fragrant. Wow, I can feel it in my tongue now. Highly recommended. And the beef is really tender. Wow, I love this rendang. We ordered beef rendang. Beef rendang is typically cooked in coconut gravy. And it's a drier version, not like the curry. Curry has lots of gravy, but beef rendang is actually drier. But it's very fragrant. It's one of the most complex dishes you can ever make because everything depends on the rempah, the blend of spices and how you cook it. So I must say that this beef rendang is very good. Yum. Hi guys, good morning. We are at the Kelapa Cafe in Langkawi.
It's a pretty nice place. We sit on the second floor. Yeah, it's very rustic kind of a place. We're having breakfast here today. It's a so-called brunch before we head onto the road. So yep, I ordered myself this big breakfast. As you can see, it comes in with everything that a big breakfast should have. Yeah. So my wife ordered for herself a shakshuka. As you can see, it's pretty well done shakshuka, and English breakfast tea, latte without sugar. And for me, I ordered iced coconut Americano. The word Kelapa means coconut in Malay. So next time you guys, when you're in Langkawi, come over here and check out this place. It's a really cool place. Finally, it's dinner time after 4 hours bicycle tour. So tonight we thought we'd try some Chinese what we call zhicha or stir fry. Hi guys, here we have is stir fried vegetables, and we got here this salt and pepper prawn, which is really good. Basically diced chili, shallots, and the pepper and salt. Right guys, and here we have what we call the chili stir-fried squid. This looks good. You guys check it out. Yep. And here we have the last dish, Malay chicken. It's a bit spicy. As you can see, it's all dried chili, sesame seed, and some shallots and black sauce. Guys, looks good, guys. And 2 steamed rice, some Chinese tea to go along with. So, guys, we're gonna tuck right in. It's really hungry right now, darling. Yep. So signing off from Langkawi Cactus, and guys, remember to subscribe and like our video. Hi guys, good afternoon. We're at this CoffeeNuts cafe. Very unique place. You can check it out now. Very small but very homely and a very retro kind of thing. Got so many things on display. Even have T-Rex, guys. Mineral water in our Perry, and check out this board. Very nice. These are the kind of place with a lot of these kind of little quaint things that makes it very special. Yeah guys, so what we're having here today is double shot Americano ice. Check out the teddy bear. Hey guys, isn't it cute? My wife is having a latte, right? Hot latte. So, yep, nice place.
Hey guys, so just finished horse riding, and we went to the CoffeeNuts cafe again, which is just 1 minute drive from the stables, and got myself ice cold green tea. I can really taste the full flavor of it, and according to the owner, they use spring water, so the water makes the difference, because she says the raw material, the supplies of green tea is just the usual supply, but then the water that she uses is from the spring, from the waterfall. It really brings out the taste of the tea leaves. So I guess that's why it makes this drink so nice, and the coffee too. So guys, if you're ever in this area, the Seven Falls area of Langkawi, do check out this CoffeeNuts cafe. Really nice coffee and teas.